Sir, yung sa courtesy lane, yung additional courtesy lanes for OFWs.
Yeah. Isa rin yun, no? Dahil na para naman address yung issue na ibang aplikante raw nag-spend ng several hours, no? To apply for a passport. So, to address that, we have also instituted several measures, no? Una-una na fix na namin lahat yung mga technical problems associated nung pag-switch namin to the new e-passport system under APO, no? That was in early April. We recognize, no, na merong some technical problems, no, but we have addressed all of them, and now we can confidently say, no, na wala nang technical problems. So that's one. Then second, we have reconfigured yung passport office mismo sa Asiana, no, nagkaroon ng rearrangement to improve yung systems tsaka yung workflow. So yung proseso ng mga papel mas efficient na yun. And then third, meron na kaming dedicated na courtesy lane for OFWs. Dati kasi may isang courtesy lane, nandiyan na lahat, no? Pero ngayon, we have a dedicated courtesy lane for OFWs na hindi kailangan mag-online appointment. So they can go straight to Asiana, identify themselves as OFW, no? And bring with them yung prueba, no? Like employment contract,
ano pwedeng makuha ng ano pong pwedeng makuha ng mga OFW doon?
Well, hindi na sila kailangan mag-book online, no? So, kung meron sila mga urgent employment, no? Kailangan nilang umalis kaagad. Kung dadaan pa sila ng online appointment and yet 2 months away pa yung makukuha nila, maapektuhan yung trabaho nila. With this new measure, hindi nila kailangan maghintay pa, no? So they can just go immediately sa Asiana, sabihin nilang OFW, meron kaming courtesy link dedicated para sa kanila.
Available po ito para sa mga existing OFWs o yung magiging OFWs pala?
Basta OFW.